This is just a quick video to kind of outline who I am, or how I got to where I am, and my story. So my name is Chess. It, my name is Francesco actually, but people call me Chess. Chess gets liquidated. That's why the channel's called that. I started day trading in February 2025. I blew so many accounts between the period of February 2025 and September 24th to when I passed my first eval, and it was a rough time, bro. I maxed out all of my credit cards. I was in 4k worth of debt. I told no one about it, and I was not getting a payout. Then one thing switched. It was October 9th. I had 3 top step XFAs, one day away from passing on my birthday, and I was working 2 jobs at the time. I had a 2-hour break between my different jobs, and I was in my first job's like eating space restaurant thing. I was sat in the corner on my laptop, and I blew all 5k in all 5 accounts, and that was devastating to me, especially on my birthday. But I guess that's what psychology does to you. And I was absolutely devastated, bro. But not long after October 24th, I got my first payout on one top step. It was 2k, not a lot. And then after that, it was like a fucking snowball effect. I got payouts after payouts. Following November, a week later, I was on holiday with my girlfriend in Italy, and the whole week we were there, I got a 12k payout with top step across three XFAs. It was insane, bro. Then the following week, I got a 2k payout, not crazy. And then December, first week of December, I think it was December 2nd exactly, I got a 25k payout with Alpha and Top Step put together. And me and my girlfriend moved out together. I then had a payout the first week of Christmas of 5k. Yeah, and then after that, I did not get a payout in January, February, or March. Last month, I got a 5k payout, and then this month, I'm waiting for a payout next week. So yeah, last month I also got a job again because I quit my job in December when I moved in here, and I realized I needed money to be able to pay for things like rent, bills, clothes, mortgage, all of that stuff, utilities, whatever. And yeah, it's my first time moving in. I'm only 19. I turned 19 on October 9th, like I said, when I blew those XFAs. And yeah, that's just my story, bro. I'm on my way up, and it's just crazy being able to have such a quick change, bro. I went from 4k in debt to moving into my own house within 3 months. That's what trading can do for you, bro. And that's pretty much it, bro. But the one thing I wanted to add is, for everyone out there looking to actually trade, my biggest mistake was not backtesting. I didn't want to put the work in. I didn't backtest for my first 6 months, and as a result, I couldn't pass a combine. I was under risking on my combines. Like, I've got clips of me risking like $50. Like, bro was not passing that fucking XFA. I mean, combine ever. So yeah, I mean, I just didn't have the knowledge. And for you guys, all the knowledge is free in my Discord. So like, yeah, I'll plug the Discord. Why not? But just make sure you're backtesting. There's links in the fucking bio to help you guys. But yeah, thank you for watching. That's my story as to who I am, how I got started, and yeah, hopefully it kind of opens your eyes as to what the possibilities really are, and how hard trading actually is, and the kind of risks you need to take to be able to do this full time.